The benefits of ginger, how it heals indigestion and much more. There is more to ginger than ginger ale. For generations, this delightful spice has been used as a condiment and a medication. Romans used it to treat indigestion, stomachaches, respiratory congestion, constipation, and diarrhea. It was also used in ancient China and Ayurvedic medicine in India to treat similar ailments. It was also supposed to stimulate the flow of qi, or energy, to the reproductive organs, making it a tonic for women's gynecological disorders. How does ginger work? Ginger includes antioxidants known as gingerols, which are thought to be responsible for the herb's ability to relieve nausea and indigestion. Unlike many other anti-nausea drugs, ginger has the advantage of not generating unpleasant side effects like dry mouth or tiredness. Ginger has been found in studies to help with nausea from various sources, including food poisoning, motion sickness, pregnancy, post-surgical procedures, and the adverse effects of conventional pharmacological treatment, particularly chemotherapy. Ginger has also been shown to help with indigestion symptoms like flatulence, bloating, and griping pain. Gingerols are also suspected to be responsible for ginger's capacity to relieve pain. Inflammation and swelling are associated with rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, and muscle discomfort, probably by suppressing the formation of inflammatory chemicals known as prostaglandins and leukotrienes. This could explain its ability to ease menstrual cramps naturally. Ginger is commonly used as a tonic to combat colds and chills and promote circulation. Taiwanese studies show its benefits for circulatory health due to its modest blood-thinning effects. Ginger also includes antibacterial, carminative, and diaphoretic, sweating-inducing, characteristics, which may aid with immune system support. These properties make it helpful in treating coughs, colds, laryngitis and sore throats. And it's frequently paired with honey and lemon. How to cook with ginger. Ginger can be consumed fresh or dry in pickled, jellied, candied, crystallized, or syrup forms. Also, as a tea or a supplement in tablet or capsule form. When using supplements, follow the directions on the bottle or as directed by a doctor. Safety first. If you're using anticoagulant, blood thinning, drugs, talk to your doctor about ingesting excessive dosages of ginger. Where can you get ginger? Ginger supplements and tinctures or herbal extracts can be found in health food stores. In supermarkets, you may buy fresh ginger, ginger paste and also ginger tea. Thank you for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and like and share it with any family or friends who find it helpful.